Можно тогда.
Да, пожалуйста.
I'm now in Vilnius, just conducted a concert at the National Opera House in Vilnius, in Lithuania. As you all know, I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia. I'm Ossetian myself, born in Moscow. And now I'm thinking of this future concert in July, which I will conduct with two orchestras, with a big chorus, with international soloists. A particularly important thing about this cooperation is that the orchestras come from Slovenia and Croatia, Zagreb, Ljubljana. I hope that the peace and understanding and cooperation, including cultural cooperation, music, theater, will grow enormously in the countries which were once part of one big country which broke up, for example, Yugoslavia, or, as you see now, Soviet Union, which had also as a part of this country, Lithuania, and I'm from Russian Federation. I think we overcame all the obstacles and we make music together. I am visiting Vilnius, I am visiting Tallinn, I am visiting Kiev actually. I performed yesterday in Kiev, tomorrow I perform in Minsk. 3 days ago I performed in Kazakhstan, and I find it very, very important. My strong belief is that a great piece of music like 8th Symphony of Mahler helps all of us, helps people, thousands of people, hundreds of thousands, millions of people, to embrace each other, to come in one big emotion and find again and again that the power of music, the power of human genius has no borders. And I think we will have a great time. I'm very happy to hear that my Slovenian and Croatian friends are coming closer and closer to a fantastic cooperation, and being great neighbors only will strengthen what we believe is the future of Europe. Good luck.